Zap, thank you for the 1200 bits. How do you feel about the shotgun nerf? I'm undecided. I haven't played enough yet. It's nice to know that you can't get one pumped anymore by any shotgun whatsoever. But, you know, double pump is still very strong. I wonder if they're trying to, like, I mean, I feel like they're trying to nerf the build meta. Making it harder to get materials. Llamas that got the nerf. The pallets or the, you know, when you find like a wood on the ground or whatever, it's only 20 instead of 30. I mean, all it's gonna make good players do is just farm more. You know, here I am almost at, you know, I don't know. I like the C4 buffs. Yeah, the pump, yeah, the llama nerf, in my opinion, is horrible. I feel like the llama nerf should be in solos. It should have been 250 of each material. In duos, it should have been like 350 of each material. And in squads, it should be 500 of each material. If you think about it, when you find a llama, there's 3 of them on the map. Half the time they don't even get found because they're in the most odd places ever, right? But like, so in squads, if you split 500 4 ways, you know, 150, 150, 150, you know, everyone's gonna about 125 materials each. That's not a lot.
Ooh, Hoover Hog. Ooh. Let's just say Hoover Hog has had better days.
Break. It's gonna be the best.
That'll be good for my marriage too, I think. There goes Ninja. Bye, Ninja.
Oh. You had a briefcase.
Bouncer? Fuck took you so long, dog?
Oh, he's not weak enough. The traps, they don't do it. Oh God! Got him! Oh, it was worth it, man. It was worth it.
Don't ever call me adorable. I'm a mean motherfucker.
That's cute.
Chill. I'm vicious.
Oh my god. Ah!
Your foot is stuck! Why did you run towards Tim? Why did you run towards Tim?
I wasn't.
That was my game.
You,
That was my game.
Oh.
That was my game. I had 4 kills. I had 4 kills already. That was my game. And you literally ran at me while you were stuck. Are you kidding? Okay, time for the meta chat.
Whoa, that's a lot. Tim, how many grenade launchers do you have? Tim? What?
jump pad though, Rip.
What do you mean, brother? Daquan James! Boy, what you talking about? Get him out of here, brother.
No! Oh! Fuck you! Oh my god, bro. Yo! Oh, I thought I was about to get fucking shit on, dude.
Double shotgun, huh? Double shotgun, huh? How'd that work out for you, huh? Chug Jug, now you mad. Oh! Called it! Let's go! And you're spectating. Oh! Shadow Gang! Yeet! Let's get it!
He just checked the downstairs.
He's right below. He's trying to get in.
I can see him wandering. Yeah, he's trying to bounce. I'm gonna med kit real quick. Nice.
Oh my god. There's more people south. I sniped his platform when he built it.
We need more Twitch Prime plugs? Well, I can do that. Twitch Prime is a new service provided by Amazon and Twitch where you can link your Amazon.
Whoa, whoa. Alright. No scope him.
How does that even make sense? How does any of that make sense?
Oh! I'm dead! Luke, you got me killed! Why did you do that? Oh my gosh!
Perfect, dude. Is that him over there? Oh yeah, that's him over there.
I'm dead! Luke, you got me killed! Why did you do that? Oh my god,
that was perfect, dude.
I'm so mad at you.
He grabbed you.
Save. Come on, dude. Oh man, got tricked down.
We're running out of mats, dude.
He's so lost. Oh, hello. Jimmy!
Why did
Why?
Why did none of my floors build on the way down?